Let's add Yahoo Mail account. Go to your Play Store and search for Yahoo, and all you have to need, install the official Yahoo Mail app in your phone. Once the Yahoo Mail app successfully installed, open the Yahoo Mail app, and now here you will find total 3 options. To sign in with Yahoo Mail account, tap on sign in with Yahoo. You can sign in with Google, or if you don't have any account, just tap on sign up to create a free account. In my case, I'm just logging to my Yahoo Mail account with my Google. And that's it. Now I can easily use my Yahoo Mail account on my S25 device. And to sign in with your Yahoo Mail account, enter here your username, email, or mobile number of your Yahoo Mail account and tap on next, and then enter your password and you will be logged in. That's it.